These are the Move Propel fashion running sneakers. I was sent a review from Nortiv 8. They are gorgeous. They are so comfortable. So let's take a closer look. First of all, look at that sole. It just gives you so much support and cushion and shock absorption. Oh my goodness, so great. The tread down here is rubbery, really, really grippy, great for the gym, great for the track, you name it. They are not super flexible because of this being so strong here, but they are lightweight. Oh, they are breathable. I love this kind of mesh design and the two tones. This color is called the nude pink, and it is ever so slightly pink, like more of a beige or a rose gold beige, if that's a word. Just a really nice and neutral look. You've got kind of three colors going on, this kind of heather, and then that light pink beige, and then the darker beige. Really nice padded collar with the pull tab here to help you get them on. Nice padded tongue, nice and padded down here as well. Just a really, really nice shoe. Really nice and wide toe box. I love that. Nice and roomy in here. I can wiggle my toes around. Super cute. They've even got reflective strips. One here on the outer toe, on the outer ankle, and on the back of the heel. The shape here, it just like supports this kind of like rocking here. They're rounded, really comfortable. The way they just kind of propel you forward, no joke. That's what the name is from. It's this like kind of rounded here. Just really, really interesting. Very comfortable, awesome shoes. Really, really nice shoes. I love these from Nortiv 8, and I know you will too.